What if a bracelet that could tell your story? This isn't just a bracelet. It's a canvas for your identity. Gold, rose gold, or silver. Timeless, elegant, and made for you. And here's the magic. You decide what it says. Engrave your name, a special date, or words that inspire you. Add a symbol, a heart, or even your country's flag. Every bracelet is unique because every story is unique. Wear it to express yourself. Gift it to someone you love. Strong, elegant, personal. This is jewelry that speaks. Gilgami Store. Wear your story, live your style. Shop now at gilgami.store.